Hey, Apartment Therapy, I'm Jeremiah Brent.
Hey guys, Nate Berkus, and this is our small, cool show and tell. What we wanted to share with you today are a collection of pottery bowls that we found in Peru. Actually, to be honest, we found a few online when we got home.
Yes. But in Peru, these specific bowls are meant to ward off evil spirits and to protect people and the families that live within their homes. We found them to be so beautiful. They're all super individual. They tell the story of the people.
Each one's handmade, hand-painted, and they actually sit, a man and a woman, go figure, on the roof of all these homes in the countryside. We got engaged in Machu Picchu. It was the most incredible moment. And so we have a connection to things, obviously from our travels, but in particular things that we brought home from that trip.
These pieces are really important to us because not only do they add a layer of texture and warmth to our home and really help the space feel collected and assembled, which we believe in, but it is a trigger memory for us that takes us back to that moment in time, the joy that we had around celebrating our new engagement, and we hope you guys enjoy them.
So when you look at them, it just reminds you of how much you love me every day, right?
Yes. Thank you guys for stopping by our home. You can follow us at Jeremiah Brent.
At Nate Berkus.
Thanks guys. Stay home. Stay safe.